And because his legs are still moving, we're going to go to the animation palette. His legs look like they want to go somewhere. They really don't need to go. So we're going to select all the thigh, shin, and foot keyframes. And just delete those. We want to have some movement for our sit, so we're going to put a constant selection right here and right here. Okay, so we've gotten his legs to stop moving. And now we have a little bit of anticipatory movement. As before he sits, he leans forward, and then we're going to have him go back a little bit, getting ready to sit. Do that by going back to the graph menu